Welcome to an introductory lesson on the 5 frame. The goal here is to get students to recognize numbers relative to the number 5, using 5 as a referent or a benchmark. We can start off with just having students place the counters, whatever counter you have, chips or whatever they are, in the 5 frame, and have them count off and recognize that you have the numbers 1 to 5. Here you could say something like, what number is shown? And then you could also ask how many are missing. You could also say how many more are needed to fill the frame. Lots of students are going to want us to start to fill up a frame, starting from the left and moving to the right, but sometimes students will put them in lots of different places, and they still want to be able to recognize that that is a 3, just as much as the first 3 in a row are also a 3. So students can see the different configurations for up to the number 5, or the different configurations for the number 3. All the numbers up to 5 can have different kinds of looks to them. Once students have got the hang of that a little bit, you can play a little mixed up numbers game with them, and you can start with a number under 5, something along like a 2, for example. Have the students, you can say 2 and have them make up the 2 on the frame, and then you could say okay, if I said 4 now, have the students figure out that they have to add 2 to make the 4. Once they've shown that, then you can now say something like 3, and they'd have to be able to say, we want to take away 1 or remove 1 to get to the next number. You might say 1 next, and they'd have to recognize that they have to take away 2, and they'd have to say that and show that at the same time. Just different combinations of being familiar with the numbers between 1 and 5, and you have your basic adding facts between 1 to 5. So there's a little quick introduction to the 5 frame.